Warning: the following images can be disturbing, discretion is advised. Every big problem starts silently, and when you least expect, it escalates so fast that there is no turning back. Mold infestation is more common than you think. That's why getting your home inspected regularly is crucial to preserve your health and your patrimony.
We would need to remove all of everything. So all of the framing, all of the bottom plates, all of the black tar paper, all of the insulation from around the perimeter.
Don't wait until it's too late. Book a same-day inspection with Mold Busters. We are fully certified and ready to take care of your home. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.